Good afternoon. This is Ken at Tortoise Capital. We're safe in Raleigh, getting ready for the day trading workshop tomorrow. Here's a quick look at the market performance today and a quick look at the daily trading plan. So breakout to the upside, new 10-day high, new 30-day high, clearing important resistance at the hump of the dragon. A big follow-through day, and we're still in the summer and room to go before we reach previous resistance levels. So great follow-through here as we've tracked this from winter through spring and into the summer. So well done. Some of the big performers today, no surprises. Wind continues to work hard for us. Raytheon breaking out, all good. DBA, which we identified as an opportunity earlier, has made the RLXD, and then a second follow-through day. Alcoa just knocking it out. Should have had a second position in, approaching resistance at 23, so we're going to manage that carefully. AMD had a nice little rebound in the semiconductor space, worth stalking. 3M, nice follow through from the RLXD, getting ready to hit their some resistance shortly. Travelers, after a big sell-off that found support second day, I'd be looking to add a position around here. Cliffs Natural Resources continues to work for us, aiming for 950. Procter pulled back, found support, second day of momentum. I would bracket this one and be ready, especially to go long on the PSAR flip in the summer. And as soon as it breaks above 123, off we go. Starbucks, I can't understand them. United Tech continues to work, has clearly broken out above the RL10, so this is free and clear. Tech is back. Nike found nice support inside the dragon and go, so I think you could buy second day momentum if you got out on this 123. Microsoft, there's better tech plays. Disney, finding support. I would say this is a couple more days and we've got an owl setting up. McDonald's, this is important to look at on a long term. So that long, powerful pull, 2 days harsh selling, almost a Z3 excursion, double bottom, 1, 2. I would be ready to buy this on the breakout here with either a 1 day or a 2 day low stop. And then I think off you go. And then if it breaks through the dragon, a third. That's how I would play that one. I think it's recovered. Latin America continuing to march. Natural gas, beautiful. If this got you out, this should have gotten you back in. If it breaks out above 2263, off you go. Triple leveraged S&P is in great shape. Goldman continues to work on the RLXD. I would tighten up my stop here in Brazil to about there. I would add another position if it breaks above the 90. AXP, still premature. I'd buy the PSAR with a stop below here. That's the bracket. Walmart continuing to march. You can just keep buying, tighten up your stop to here. XLB had a nice breakout today. I'd be looking to add a position there. Emerging markets marching along. Coke, I think you got to buy that. Should have bought it today. If you didn't, that would be my trade frame right there. JP Morgan doing great deeds here inside the financials. That broke above the dragon, so I would buy another position there with a stop about there. So lots of goodness happening all over the place. Even real estate, as that defensive play, found some support. If the market starts giving back, then I would expect this defensive play to work. Otherwise, I would play that bracket trade right there. That should be red, sorry. That's how I would play that trade. So everything is looking good inside the market. Let's shift over to the daily trading plan just while we're here. Overbought on every dimension. Latin America signal potential short. If you see market weakness in Latin America worse, that'd be the first place I look to get short. All the usual suspects in the max pain. Only a handful of dojis. Merck, McDonald's, and Verizon for the auto framer. And the ETFs, energy starting to give back a little bit. Treasuries continuing to suffer. The rebound in Brazil and Latin America was nice today. I'd look to try to get some more momentum on that trade frame. See the winners who are stretching above. Auto framers, regression lines, lots of choices. Some daily squeezes. Now this is important. The S&P, diamonds, Brazil, even Home Depot, these are all relative strength winners. There's positive moves to the upside. They had tight enough ranges today that if you just use mechanical trade framing, we could have still a good one-day pop, and so that's why I like them on my short list. So lots to choose from, good continuations all across the board. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.